The building carried the natural sounds of an old structure settling. Pipes knocking. Wood adjusting. Wind threading through unseen gaps. On the second night he noticed something stranger. The bedroom temperature dropped significantly after midnight, despite the radiator functioning properly. His breath faintly misted in the darkness. He assumed insulation problems. Historic buildings were unpredictable. By the fourth night, the cold concentrated in one specific area, the closet. Each time he approached it after midnight, the air grew denser, heavier. His ears felt pressurized, like descending too quickly in an airplane. The wooden door bore new scratches along its bottom edge, thin and parallel, as though something inside had been dragged across it repeatedly. He had not stored anything sharp within. Sleep became fragmented. Elias began waking precisely at 3:17 a.m. every night. No alarm. No external disturbance. Just an abrupt, internal jolt, as if his body had been alerted by something unseen. At first he remained in bed during these awakenings. But curiosity eroded caution.